Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's happening in the crypto world right now? Bitcoin just broke above that $110,000 mark, and I've got the latest update for you from Bitcoin Bulletin. The Bitcoin price surge marks its strongest performance in June so far, a reversal of last week's drop near $100,000. This rally comes with a mix of trading activity, on-chain signals, and macro developments driving the momentum. According to CoinGlass data, nearly $203 million in positions were liquidated in the Bitcoin market over the past day, with most of those being shorts. That's $195 million worth. The volume for derivatives more than doubled, rising 113% to $110.63 billion, and open interest grew by 7.3%. This fresh capital entering the market as traders repositioned could be a key driver of this rally. The easing of tensions between the US and China is also playing a role, with trade negotiations resuming in London on June 9. Now let's take a closer look at what's happening on-chain. Bitcoin reserves on centralized exchanges have been steadily decreasing over the past year. As you can see from this data by CryptoQuant contributor Bacchus charts, we've gone from 1.55 million in July 2024 to just 1.01 million BTC today. That's a reduction of 550,000 coins. This kind of withdrawal indicates long-term holding and available supply shrinking. If demand rises at the same time, as it appears to be, prices tend to move up. The pattern is consistent with the notion that Bitcoin is no longer viewed as a trading asset, but as digital gold. US investors are also showing increasing demand, as indicated by the Coinbase Premium indicator from CryptoQuant, where Americans are paying more to purchase Bitcoin. Whale activity is on the rise too, according to Santiment, with renewed accumulation seen across wallet sizes, especially among those holding between 10 and 100 BTC. Now let's get some caution out of the way. We're still correlated to the larger equity market, which could limit short-term gains if macro headwinds reappear. But overall, the mood is turning optimistic here at Bitcoin Bulletin. Many analysts are already calling for new all-time highs in the coming days, with some even eyeing $150,000 by end of. Even if it's just a matter of short-term speculation or hedging, we've got to take this kind of momentum seriously and see where it takes us. Thanks for joining me on today's Bitcoin Bulletin.